My name is Andreas Benke,
and I am head of the assembly department at SAH Engineering in Hanover. We renovate the Mülheim Bridge across the Rhine in Cologne. The bridge is under preservation order since it is the first real suspension bridge erected in Germany. Different Metabo tools are used, starting with the cordless screwdriver to large and small angle grinders and die grinders, especially for welding applications. Good power tools make the difference for us. They have to be powerful, reliable, and robust when working in steel construction. Metabo fulfills all aspects of this.
Das erfüllt die Firma Metabo in allen Punkten.
My name is David Gross, and I am responsible for the metal sector. Obviously, I am very happy when I hear that SAH is using our power tools to currently carry out the renovation of the bridge in Cologne.
My name is Alexander Kaiser, and I am responsible for angle grinders here. My team develops the angle grinders. The cooperation between production and development works very well here at the Nürtingen location. We are a company that still produces in Swabia. The production lies 2 meters below us, below our development department. Of course, that makes things sensationally fast, and our customers benefit from that.
When I drive past the project I was involved in, whether it was in the planning or actively in the construction management, and when this large project is handed over, it feels as if you release your child at the age of 18 into life.